Hey, I'm David Mickey with MarineMax. Today I'm on my newest listing, 2024 43 Jupiter Zupa de Peche. On a lift here in Bonita Bay, Florida, no bottom paint, and I'm going to point out a couple of my favorite features on this boat. First thing is, you've got quad Mercury V10 400s. The best engine on the market. Everybody wants these engines. They're quiet, they're fuel efficient. Awesome engine, awesome power. We've got a live well with easy access right here on the transom. Battle station right here. Fish prep area and storage. You can also pull out the tackle drawers, garbage can, easy access to the Seakeeper. Seakeeper 6 is right here. As we move forward, you'll also notice the ladder back wood accent for the rear seat. One thing that's important to notice is that this rear seat is above the captain's chairs. So the guests back here have a clear visibility over the captain's head. There's nice storage below for lines, all four sides. We've got line storage right here on the port side. Also boarding gates on the port and starboard side, so getting on and off the boat's easy. Moving forward, we've got three 24-inch Garmin screens, great visibility, nice full windshield. You'll notice he does have an enclosure that comes down to keep the air conditioning in. We also have spray curtains on either side. We've got FLIR. We've also got a Starlink satellite system, easy access for the VHF, bow thruster, access over here. And then we also have a joystick for controlling the engines, docking, etc. Continuing moving forward. Accent ladder back seats up here in the bow. Great storage under each seat and forward. Easy access to your windlass. Custom teak table. Look at this drink storage. Really awesome. Armrest, center armrest. Little accent of the gray underneath the hardtop. And then also if you look above, you can see there's a spreader light, so you can fish at night. Also have easy access to your outriggers. The boat is super, super clean. If you have any questions, you can give me a call at 239-872-7503 or email me at david.mickey@marinemax.com. Thanks for your time.